Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Today I just have a video to share with you guys on my daughter's birthday dress, or how I'm going to be making my daughter's birthday dress. I think it's going to be a watch me make things video. I'm not sure. I'm just kind of winging it as I go. I'm going to be using this material right here. It just screams Emma. Pizzas and hot dogs and french fries. I mean, that is 100% Emma. Also, sorry if this camera angle is weird or the camera's weird on this throughout it, because I don't know how long I'm going to be using my phone to record. But I have misplaced my charger for my camera. I don't know what happened to it. It's just gone. I'm sure it's around here somewhere, but I think one of the kids took it for their phones. That's what I'm thinking happened, because they also share the charger with that. So anyway, I have to find that, but I hope this is okay for now. Let's get started. Okay, so I have this dress of hers, and it's a Target, I don't know, art class dress. And this dress is, like I said, from Target, but oh, look at that, that's beautiful. It's actually was kind of expensive originally. I think we ended up finally getting on sale or something, but the material on this, for it being expensive, and that by expensive I mean it was like, I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that for a little girl's dress, maybe 15. However, that's a lot to me, I think. I mean, I'm cheap, but that's me. Anyway, this is, I think this material just sucks. It sticks together since I washed it. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I put fabric softener in there. I've tried to spray it and let it air out with static clean, the spray stuff to make your shit anti-static, but it still just clumps together and it doesn't swing off of her anymore or anything. But when it first wore right on her, it was so cute, and it just, I love the cut for her. And this is kind of like a half circle, goes up close to her, like top of her chest or whatever, so it's hard to see because of the way the dress lies, but it's so cute. And I thought that I wouldn't do these sleeves, but I would do, I don't know if I want to do flowy sleeves or like just cap sleeves. I haven't figured that out yet. Again, this is a weird angle, I know, I'm not like, but I'm doing it with my phone. So anyway, there's that. I'm gonna sketch out a pattern from this and see what I get. At my table a while back, I was doing some kind of craft and apparently got paper stuck to it, or my daughter did, or I did. Probably I did. But I want to blame the kids, so it's the kids. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, this is what I sketched up so far. Oh, I didn't cut that all the way out, so I need to go back and do that. But that's the front and that's the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it'll swoop, and they swoop either way. So it will meet like that-ish and be higher in the back. I mean the front, and longer in the back. So I'm gonna go cut out a test piece out of some other material I have and see how that does, and then I'll probably try it on her when she gets home. Machine out and it's in the way. So I cut I cut my pieces out and see how it swoops. The only thing I think I might have a problem with is I didn't go over far enough here, so I don't know. We'll have to see how it lays on her, see if that looks okay. And then I think I might have messed up here. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at it, because this is so straight. This is more swoop. I might go back in and swoop it, but right now I don't have to worry about that part. I just want to test the pattern out. And this is really old cotton knit fabric I've got. Oh man, I didn't, well, didn't know that. Oh. I didn't think about that being like that. And my other piece cut out because while I was filming, somebody called me, so it stopped. Anyway, and this is also slightly bigger than that piece, so I kind of wanted that so it would be flowy in the back, so it works out. I do know how I need to go back and edit. I'm just going to have to swoop both of these like this, but I guess shorten it so it swoops, but it needs to swoop up. So how would I don't know. I'll figure it out. I think I'm going to mess with it here in a second. I don't even know why I didn't think about that gonna come to a point. I can't even believe I did that. That's a huge brain fart on my part. A huge brain fart on my part. So I'm gonna just stitch these together, and then when she comes in, just try the size on her, see how that fits her. I'm not really worried about the skirt part because that's not gonna be a big deal. So I can't believe I did that. I mean, it's kind of cute, but I don't really want it to be a point. I wanted it to be like a swoop. I don't know. We'll see. So I set my machine to 3, which is a zigzag stretch stitch. There's also this one you can use, but this is specifically for a stretch stitch. And now I'm going to go and tack this together. Cut off this much over the back to fit it. It was way too big, obviously. That's my fault. And then like 1/8 or 1/4, whatever, I'm not real sure because math, off the sleeves. So, and I ended up fixing the swoop here. It's not a point anymore. So I made it up there thinner, and then I fixed it so when I do the cut it apart to use this as a pattern, I had to write down at 1 inch, at 1/2 inch. So because I'm just gonna cut off these seams here. So I finally charged my camera, and then my dog ate my charger. Yay! Anyway, so this is the new pattern. These 2 pieces here, if you can see them. I don't know if this angle is weird or not, but the back, the front, I fixed the swoop on it. Let me see. This is the old pieces, the old trial pieces or whatever. This is the back piece I cut. I don't remember. It's been a couple days since I've been sewing. I cut out about a 2-inch tapering strip down the back part, and I ended up cutting off what I did sew so I could, open it up and make another pattern piece out of it and try it again. I'm going to sew this and try it on her again when she gets home, but I'm hoping that will make this smaller because I knew I made this too big, but I was hoping it'd be more flowy, but I made it too big at the top and not the bottom. I was hoping I had made it small at the top, big at the bottom, but I didn't. And then this is the old top pattern piece. I did fix the swoop on this, so it no longer comes to that point. Though that point did kind of, I don't know why, but it reminded me of Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I don't really know why, but anyway, I got rid of the swoop. Rid of the point. Fixed the swoop. I did make the swoop on this new pattern a little bit longer because it was almost too short on this. It wasn't short, but it was when I sew the skirt to it, it's going to be too short. So I did make it, I think, 1 inch longer. I'll have to see if it's long enough when I go to sew it. And then of course I fixed the armholes as well. So I'm going to sew these together, try them on her when she gets home, see how that works, and then hopefully my next pattern pieces will be with the t-shirt, the I don't even know why I said t-shirt, with the material, the pizza and whatever material. So wish me luck. Okay, you're gonna have to forgive my loud background. My dishwasher is running. So I fixed the back and I fixed the front. This is the second pattern try on. It's a lot smaller than the other one. Just to show you the difference. Nope, that's still the back. This is the front. This is the second pattern. Hit my camera, sorry, and that was the first. And here, hang on. This was after the pattern, this was the first mock-up, second mock-up, and you can see the difference in just how much I've had to reduce it and put it, make it narrower underneath her arms. She's not weirdly built, but obviously she's small. She's only going to be 7, so she is, I don't know, like, She's built like me, but not at the same time. She's small, but not. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but she's I don't know. She's Emma. She's built like Emma. That's the best way to put that. Anyway, so I kept having to reduce her sides, and every time I would think, all right, this is good enough. This is close. It'd be way too baggy under the arms or fit her down towards the bottom parts, and then it'd be too baggy here, and then it was just, yeah. So I had to keep adjusting, and I adjusted this piece down. This fits her like a glove and perfectly, and stretched on and off of her head. The thing is, I'm thinking about now is something's kind of stupid. I was thinking about taking an old t-shirt and putting this pattern on an old t-shirt where it still has the neck hole and the sleeves, because I'm getting kind of lazy. Yeah. Also, I don't know if I like the pizza pattern with the pizza pattern top and the pizza pattern skirt when I keep thinking about it in my head, visioning it in my head. I was thinking about taking an old black t-shirt she has, putting this pattern on it. I mean, just basically cutting the swoop out, and then putting the pizza pattern on the bottom. And I think that'd be kind of cute and kind of classic, kind of skatery dress look to it. So I don't know. I think I might try it, because she's got a shirt that's too small for her. It's too short for her, but it fits her on the top, like up here on her arms and her chest and stuff. So I don't know. I might do both. I might just do both, because I have quite a lot of material. So at least for her, because she's not very big. She's still tiny, even though she's 7. Yeah, anyway, I just wanted to show that I fixed the pattern, and that's just showing you the dramatics in the size. And sorry, my camera's shaking because I'm holding it up. Luna. Anyway, sorry. Luna. Anyway, that's my pattern size. That's my pattern size from here, from there to here. Just the difference in it is just crazy. So I'm going to transfer this pattern to the material and see where I go from there. Also, Luna, no. Also, I'm still working on the sleeves, or the ideas for the sleeves. I'm still like thinking flowy sleeves, but I also don't want pizza flowy sleeves. And adding another texture to it would be weird, I think, because it'd be too much. I don't know. We'll see. I cut the pieces out of the pizza, burger, french fry fabric, and I added interfacing to all the edges, because, and I'm probably using the wrong interfacing, I don't even know. This is just a really light iron-on interfacing, but I did it because my machine eats this kind of fabric, always has, probably always will. No matter what kind of needle I put on there, I don't know if my tension's wrong, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, probably everything wrong, but my fabric always gets eat up in my machine, so I did that as an extra precaution. And then I also cut out the skirt, which I think I messed up on, but I can always fix that because it's just a regular circle skirt. That's why I didn't show me cutting it, because I had to get in the floor to do it, and that was annoying on its own because I had to do it with Luna. That was fun. Anyway, I'm going to put these two together. Well, put that together, this together, and then put this, that, and hopefully be almost done, because I still have to make the sleeves. It's all wonky there, which I don't really like.
Hey guys.
Hey Lex. And I think it'll help lay that down a little bit. I don't know. I do like that. Gonna help prevent it from being super wonky, I think. I don't know what I did wrong.
You had this.
Okay, so I have skipped a few steps here. This is a watch me make things anyway. It's not really a tutorial, but I took and I added black shirt that I cut off. I hope I showed that. I hate that I got a hole here. I think I'm just going to put a bow there and just say screw it. Sorry if you hear that in the background. My dog is jumping from chair to chair. Anyway, so I did that. I hope I gathered it enough and pinned it down. So now I'm going to sew the skirt onto the shirt and hope it looks good. Yay, go me.